The Snapchat error code SS06 means your account has been temporarily disabled or locked due to suspicious activity, such as too many login attempts, violating community guidelines, or using third party apps. Here is how to fix it step by step on Android. First, if you are using any third party Snapchat apps or plugins like Snapchat Plus Plus, Scotsman, or Phantom, uninstall them immediately. Snapchat doesn't allow unauthorized apps and they can trigger account locks. Next, visit the official Snapchat unlock page from your browser, not the app. The link is accounts.snapchat.com/accounts/unlock. Log in using your Snapchat username and password. If your account is eligible, you will see an unlock button. Tap on it and wait for a confirmation that your account has been unlocked. Then try logging in again through the app. If the unlock page says you are not eligible, or if the error still shows, wait 24 to 48 hours before trying again. Avoid repeatedly logging in, that can delay recovery. You can also go to Snapchat support page. The link is support.snapchat.com and submit a request. Then contact us. I can't access my account. Then I see an error message when I log in. Then my account is locked and explain the issue clearly. Snapchat may manually review and help restore access. After recovering your account, make sure to use only the official Snapchat app. Avoid spammy behavior and turn off any tools that violate their terms and conditions. That's how you can fix Snapchat error SS06 and protect your account from future logs. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.